This is the one. Look at that wake just cleaning up.
All right, we got a boat coming. Yeah, there you go, there you go.
So it's 6:15. We got about 45 minutes until the big boats start heading out. The mission is these massive dive boats, fishing boats, they go out of the inlet every day at 7, and on the way out they create a pretty nice wave. We got the foils, we got the jet skis. Cam thinks that if we line it up properly, we're gonna be able to foil in on some of these. We're gonna find out. Right now it's about racing the time and trying to make sure we get there.
You guys are, I would guess at least 45 minutes out.
45.
About half hour to 45 minutes is what I'm guessing.
We'll see about that.
All right, man. I'm calling 7 o'clock. I'll see you at Burt Reynolds.
We'll see you at 6:36.
All right, I'll see you.
All right.
7 o'clock right now. We're supposed to be at the mouth of the inlet, but right up there at that bridge, I don't know if you can see it, we can open up and go faster. So it is behind me, and we'll be there in like 5 minutes. So sorry for the wait, guys. I kind of underestimated the drive, so hope you're entertaining yourself. Finally here. Cue the action-packed racing scene between Jay and I. Racing back and forth, jet skis going really fast, mission music, maybe some TNT or some Back in Black.
If you had one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment, would you capture it? Just let it slip. Yo. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud and he opens his mouth. Alright.
We are our key. Sonny's gonna be stoked that he was right about the time. I'll give it 3 seconds before he says something. It's probably alright.
Let's start the intercoastal, see if we can find something. The inlet's gonna be dangerous to be riding through.
Yeah.
So I was gonna say intercoastal or ocean.
Our boy Sunjab's on the ski. Going out. We're gonna be chasing big boats, chasing them down, foiling their waves.
Running uptown, trying to overdo things. Eating up tails, got me dreaming lucid. Just bring me back life when I'm wasted.
Is this first one to run? You ready to hop in? Do it.
Need another one to burn and I'm all good. Just bring me back life when I'm wasted. Just bring me back life when I'm wasted. Just bring me back life when I'm wasted.
He's got the arms. He's got the arms. This one?
And I get away. It's like the summer sweeter when you taste it. Bring me back to life when I'm wasted. Running uptown, trying to overdo things. Eating uptown, got me dreaming lucid. Just bring me back life when I'm wasted.
Come on. This is the homie here.
Got me dreaming lucid. Just bring me back life when I'm wasted. Just bring me back life when I'm wasted. I'm broke down.
Wow. Still cruising.
Yep.
Yeah! So we got here like 20 minutes late for them going out, but at 11, all the big boats come back in.
I also think they go out at 12 too. Like they go in.
Yeah, we've only gotten maybe 1 or 2 like good big boat wakes, like Cam was talking about getting.
I'm broke down and alone, half alive, half dead and gone. I'm seeing things up late on the phone, talking to people that ain't even there. The alcohol medicated, blurry sight and I'm faded. Can't find a cure that I've been chasing. Just bringing back life when I'm wasted. Ready up, tell, trying to overdo things. Eat up, tells, got me dreaming lucid. Just bringing back life when I'm wasted. Just bringing back life when I'm wasted.
Hell of a morning, hell of a day. Foil down a little better, you know. Still a little sketchy, but progress. All progress, baby. Feeling blessed.
This is the one. Look at that wake just cleaning up.
All right, we got a boat coming.
Yeah, I can. He's on it.
Yeah, there you go, there you go.
See, I've been patient, but I won't follow, 'cause I don't wanna be your friend. What does it matter if it ends? I want a little bit of lightning. No, I don't wanna be your friend. I want a little bit of lightning. No, I don't wanna be your friend. I want a little bit of lightning. What does it matter if it ends? But I don't wanna live in silence. What does it matter in the end? I want a little bit of lightning. No, I don't wanna be a friend, because these feelings are violent. What does it matter in the end?
We did end up getting the ideal wave. Cam ended up getting the ideal wave. So good f***ing job, Cam. We're all stoked for you. We're all very happy for you, Cam. Stoked for you. Thanks.
You're gonna have to get used to Cam doing that to you, man.
No, I'm f***ing not. No, this guy, just wait, dude. Just wait. You get one f***ing more, Cam. You get one more. It's your last one. We were late. We were definitely late.
6:37.
But we got
More like 7:15.
irrelevant. We got here. We got the big dive boat wakes. We got the Saturday in, and we got the mission completed. So overall, I think next time, really all we can do is like improve upon this. But That's a motherfucking rat.